Hello and welcome to the Learning Square. In this series of Introduction to Python, I will talk about the implementation of queues using Python today. So we are all familiar with queues in our daily lives. Whenever we stand in front of a ticketing booth or any other place, we usually stand at the back of the queue and the first person in the front of the queue is always serviced first. So items enter the queue at the back and leave from the front. So there's a typical dequeue operation which will remove the first item, and an enqueue operation in which adds the item to be added here in the end of the queue. So let's see how this is implemented using Python here. So I've created a class queue. In the constructor, I simply assign items variable and empty list here. Is empty checks this list to be empty or not. It returns a true if the queue is empty, otherwise a false. Enqueue, I pass an argument as the item to be added in the queue and I insert it at the 0 position. Why am I doing this? Because in the dequeue operation I've used the pop. So pop removes the items from the last position, so I'm inserting at the 0 position. So automatically I'm able to implement the queue using inbuilt methods. You could try to implement a queue using non-standard methods also. So do it as an assignment here. For the size, I just return the number of items in the list. The first simply returns me the first item in the queue at the moment. So I use the inbuilt method here to see whether the queue is empty or not. If it is empty, I return empty queue. Otherwise, I will return the last element because I have implemented the queue in a way that the first element is always the last element here, and I'm adding new items at the front of the list. So let's see if it is running properly. Now first I've created an instance of the queue class here. Print the queue first. So obviously initially it is an empty queue, so it shows me empty queue. I enqueue 9 here. I print the items, so 9 is the item that I have. Then I add 1 here. So you can see at the first position 1 is being added. Popping will be done from here. Then I keep adding items. So I have added 10 here. I have added 2 here. The first is my 9. This is the first of the queue. This is the last of the queue. I perform a dequeue operation. So after dequeue, 9 has been removed. I again perform a dequeue. So 1 has been removed here. I print the items. So I know that 10 and 2 are now left. The size is 2 obviously. And the first is now 10. So this is working fine. So as an assignment, write a function reverse string which uses an argument myString that uses a stack to reverse the characters in a string. Add a method to view items in a stack and queue class. Write a program to reverse the queue using recursion. So write the solutions in the comment section below. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.